Hello everyone, greeting from Superworks. In today's video, we are going to talk about the live stream feature. This is very useful functionality that allows you to monitor employees in real time based on the configurations which you have set in the live monitoring policy. So let's understand how this works. So to view the live stream, first of all, I just have to click on the live stream button. Here, I will be able to view the live activities of employees. Whatever setting or rules I have defined in our live monitoring policy will directly reflect here. This means you can keep track of employees' activity or productivity management. Now, whenever you click on a specific employee in the live monitoring option, so first of all it will scan the device, and then here I am having the option to connect. So whenever I will be clicking on this connect now option, so automatically I will be able to view the employee screen. This gives you a clear idea of what the employee is currently working on. However, it's important to note that you will be only having the viewing access. You won't be able to control or operate the employee system from here. This feature is designed purely for monitoring purpose, not for remote access or control. Another useful feature here is the ability to take snapshots. If you have enabled this option in your live monitoring configurations, you can capture the screenshots of the employee screen whenever required. This can be helpful for record keeping or reviewing specific activities later. So if I want to take any screenshots, first of all I just have to click on this camera button, and then it will ask me two options where you want to save that particular screenshots. So if I click on download to computer button, so it will automatically take the screenshots and it will automatically save the screenshots in the download option. So overall, the live stream feature helps you to stay connected with your team's ongoing work in real time while maintaining proper access control and monitoring boundaries. So that's all for the today's video. In the next video, we will be discussing about the device option. Till that, thank you so much for watching.